Hello, if you are wondering if there is always on display available on OPPO A60, then the answer is unfortunately no. This feature is not implemented on OPPO A60. However, if you really want to have AOD on your OPPO A60, then instead you can go to the Play Store and download an app that will work just like the always on display feature. As an example, we can search for Movies Edge app, and it looks like this one. You can press install and then configure this app in order to have always on display. So let's wait a couple of seconds in order to download the app. After that, we can press open. Now over here we need to grant required permissions, so tap on this arrow, and then we need to select Movies Edge from the next screen. So let's wait for the apps. Now let's find Movies Edge, let's select it, and then let's grant the permission. Then we can go back, and there we go. Now we have the app working, and we can switch to AOD over here at the bottom to find some always on the display screens. So some of them are premium, of course, but most of them are free. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I can press apply, and there we go. Now it is applied. Let's exit the app and let's take a look if it works. There we go. We have always on the display. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.